Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are fine. So today's video will be about face wash ranges that I own and I really like for my skin, and also I'll be showing you guys how you should actually wash your face in a proper manner, because it's really important to wash your face properly for your skin to actually show off the results after washing your face. So without doing any further delays, keep watching. So talking about my skin, I am a normal skin type person, which is something between oily skin and dry skin obviously. Also my skin is sensitive, so I can't apply every other moisturizer or every other face wash. I have to be very particular about what kind of face wash or skin products I use on my face. So while I'll be showing you guys the face wash that I use, it's also very necessary for me to tell you that it suits my skin, but not necessary that it will suit you all. So yes, first I will be showing you guys the three products. So these are the three products. The one is from the Khadi, the other is from Himalaya, and the third one is from Biotique. So these three are for the oily skin type and the normal skin type people. So let me tell you that out of these three, I generally opt to use these three products during the summer season or the rainy season, because during these two seasons only our skin tend to get more oily. So when I say it's good for the normal skin type and the oily skin type, I mean to also go to the part that it's good for acne and pimples, because the oilier skin type people tend to get more acne and pimples than the drier skin type people. So the face wash that are actually good for oilier skin type and normal is actually also good for treating acne and pimples at the same time. So yes, I'll be showing you three products that are good for these purpose. So yes, keep watching. So let's start with the first product. So it is the Khadi one. So the Khadi Neem and Tea Tree, it says it purifies the skin, fights against pimple, and also then glows your skin. It is SLS paraben free. So when I say about SLS paraben free, I am actually talking about the Khadi products. So when you actually purchase a Khadi product, make sure that it is a genuine Khadi product and not a duplicate one, because the Khadi products are available in the markets that are actually duplicates. So make sure you purchase a good genuine product. I got this one from Nykaa. So Nykaa gives genuine Khadi product. So make sure you actually check and then purchase this one. So it's Neem and Tea Tree. So Neem has actually antibacterial properties and tea tree is very good for pimples, as we know. So this combination is great for acne. So when it's great for acne, it doesn't mean that it makes your acne totally invisible in a day or two. No, it's not like that. Slowly and gradually it works on your acne and pimples, and by regular usage you will actually notice a slight change on your skin. Like my skin is a normal skin type, and I use it particularly before my period days and during my period days. So it's really helpful for me to get rid of the pimples and acne during those time span. So yes, this is really good. It doesn't have any kind of beads in it. It is a really clear product. I don't know, I really don't have any kind of product left. I have to purchase this again. But yes, a very clear solution with a light tint of green. This is how it looks, and it is coming for 250 rupees. I'll mention down below the link so that it's easy for you to purchase this. So this was the Khadi one. So the second one is from Himalaya. So it says it's the oil clear face wash strawberry, good by oily skin, hello fresh face. So it contains natural beads. So the one good thing about this is, first of all, it's pocket friendly, very pocket friendly. It is for 75 rupees, I guess. Yes, this was 75 rupees. Secondly, it's very good for oily skin and normal skin. Plus, it's not very harsh. The foam produced after applying it on your face is not that much in quantity. So it's not really harsh for sensitive skin people also, but I'll actually suggest first try it and then apply it on a regular basis if you are a sensitive skin type person. So also, since it contains natural beads, it is exfoliating in nature, so you have an option to actually skip the scrubbing part on your face if you use this particular face wash. So yes, these are the pros of this particular face wash. Also, if I remember, there are like 2-3 more ranges, like the peach range and blueberry range. So yes, I purchased the strawberry one because I love strawberry. Yes, so this was it. So the third one is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash. This is it's for all skin types, but I have used it for months now, and I would like to say that it is actually good for the normal skin type people and the oilier skin type people, because it's a little drying out in nature. Plus, also one good thing about this particular face wash is it is more of between the face wash and the scrub. It's not exactly a scrub and it's not exactly face wash. So it's very safe to use this particular face wash thrice a week because it's not very harsh on your skin. It's not a perfect scrub. So it's safe to use this particular face wash twice or thrice a week. Also, since it has beads, it's good for exfoliation, like I said, a type of a scrub. So it is actually a scrub wash of a thing. So yes, again, good for pimples and acne. So there are like 3 things you need to take care of when you wash your face. So the first one is your hands should be clean before cleaning your face. So your hands need to be clean, because if your hands are not clean and you go for washing your face, there are chances that the dirt on your hand will be actually even getting exfoliated inside your skin. Like I mean to say, be penetrating inside your skin while washing your face. You don't want that. So you wash your hands first and then go for washing your face, so that the procedure is done beautifully. So the second step is always wash your face without applying much pressure. So it should be always in the circular motion also. So take your fingers do amazing job for washing your face. Rub it very slightly and don't do something like this. This is very bad. Never do your face wash application like this. So it should be in the circular motion like this, and yes, do it for a minute and you will actually notice a change. 20 seconds face wash is not something I would opt for. Wash your face for at least 50 to 60 seconds to notice the change, to feel the freshness on your skin for a long duration after the face wash. So yes, 60 seconds of face wash is necessary. So the third point is, once you are done with washing your face, make sure that you take a clean cloth or a towel and damp it on your face. Don't rub it or do any kind of harsh activity on your face, because that leads to redness on your skin or sometimes even wrinkles and many more actual disadvantages when you get harsh on your skin. So we don't want that. So just damp it on your skin and let it dry on its own. So yes, these were the things, and the face washes that I showed you were good for the normal and the oily skin type people, and also for treating acne and pimples. While treating acne and pimples, I won't say that it makes your acne pimple to disappear suddenly. No, but you will actually notice a slight change on your skin after using these products for a certain duration, like me. So yes, this was it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the content. So subscribe to my channel, guys, and if you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, guys, and if you have any other face wash products that you really like and is suitable for oily and the normal skin types, and also for the sensitive skin, comment down below, so even I will get to know about it. So till I come with my next video, bye bye.